So step one of programming AS3X and Safe Select in your RC airplane with your Spektrum smart receiver that has a gyro in it. AR630, 631, 637, 836, 1036, and so on. So you want to program Safe Select and AS3X in your new plane. And let's say you bought a receiver from a swap meet or on eBay or something. So here we go. Step one, we're going to program my new Extra 300 step by step AS3X plus AS3X plus to have AS3X, that is for the wind, that's the stability. Plus we're going to have safe leveling, the Safe Select, and we're going to have it on a switch. And we're going to do it in a few short steps. Number one is to make sure that all your control surfaces operate the way they should. The plane needs to be configured as if you're going to fly it without a gyro. So everything needs to work. All your dual rates, when you pull back on the stick, pull back on the stick, the elevator goes up. When you push it forward, the elevator goes down. When you move your rudder stick to the left, rudder moves to the left. Rudder stick to the right, rudder to the right. When you move your alien stick to the right alien will go up. When you move your alien stick to the left one will go up. On the wings, we don't have the wings, but you move the left stick, left alien goes up. Move the stick to the right one goes up. You need to make sure that all of your control surfaces are working the way they should. All your dual rates should be set up, and your servo travel should be set at 100, not 150. So you've already done all your servo setup. We've got other videos on that, but you need to make sure that all your servos are at 100% of their travel. The reason being is the receiver gyro, AS3X and Safe Select is going to move the control surfaces up and down to help you with whatever it's wanting to achieve. So if you're using 150% of your servo and the gyro needs to move it 160% to help you, and it can't because you're already using all of the servo travel. So you have your servos set up at 100. Your dual rates need to be set up, which is your low, medium, and high rates. This is all very important stuff, or the Safe Select and the AS3X will not work correctly. Your dual rates need to be set up. So we have my elevator up. Right now I'm in my low rate, medium rate, and high rate. You need to have all your rates set up, and your low rate needs to be no less than 70%. Your low rate needs to be at 70%. If you go below 70%, then Safe Select and AS3X will not work correctly. So 70% is my low, 85, and 100. That's how you need to have your dual rates. And you need to have the airplane's travel set up per the manual. It might say your maximum travel is 1 inch up, or it might say 10 degrees, or some millimeters or something, but you need to have your maximum set up and your minimum set up on the airplane. Airplane needs to be set up 100% perfect as if you were going to fly it with no gyro at all. Your receiver needs to be mounted in the plane and fixed to the plane, either with double-sided sticky tape, hot glue, something. It needs to be fixed solid. So when the airplane feels a little tiny bump, the receiver feels the same bump. It can't be sitting on a pillow of Velcro that's going to give it some cushion. This plane needs to be, if that happens, the receiver feels it, because the receiver is what's going to control your plane. If it's flopping around here, not going to work. And it needs to be mounted flat on either one of its 4 sides, or like this. It needs to be square to the plane, and try to get it on a level flying surface. I'll explain that in a second. If you have your receiver mounted like that, then the plane is going to fly crooked. If you had it mounted like that, then the plane is going to fly in a left bank all the time. We can make adjustments for that later on, but right now we're doing a basic setup. So, something flat, something solid. If it's an E-flite or an FMS plane, look in the manual. They'll tell you exactly where to mount the receiver. The receiver, ooh, you okay? The receiver needs to be mounted as close as you can get it to the center of gravity. In your manual, it will say your plane should balance at a certain point. The wings go here. It will say 300 millimeters from the leading edge. The leading edge is the very front of the edge of the wing, and backwards. And it'll tell you where the balancing point of the plane is. You can move your battery around to get your balance correct. But the receiver needs to be as close as you can get it to the center of gravity and in the center of the plane, because the receiver is going to do all your safe select for you and your AS3X. And if it's way in the back and the center of gravity is up here, then the nose is going to go up on the plane, and it's going to take a split second until the receiver goes up. So the receiver needs to be dead center at the center of gravity, and try to be as close as you can to the center of the plane. AS3X Plus platform, we're setting up a Safe Select and AS3X. It's best to start with a clean receiver. You want to completely wipe it clean. You don't want to mess with any other programming. You know, you bought it from at a swap meet, and the guy says, I had it in a such and such P51, and then you think you have a P51. It's not going to work. The servos could be a different direction in the other plane. The gains are wrong. No, we need to start from scratch. So we're bound to our plane, and we're going to go into forward programming to where we can make our adjustments for the AS3X, Safe Select, and we're going to wipe it clean. We are going to do a factory reset. Get this guy completely wiped out.
Binding. DSMX 22 milliseconds. Telemetry. Bind complete.
If you ever have a trouble binding, try to get a foot or two away from the plane. A little bit of space will help you bind. Okay, so now let's see if we are completely wiped clean in forward programming for our Safe Select and AS3X. Setup and gyro, and it says first time setup. Yes, we have it wiped clean. Alright, now we're ready to start our first steps in forward programming to set up our AS3X and Safe Select step by step. Next video will be step 2. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, comment. All that stuff's the best way to support me. At 20,000, 3-jet giveaway. We can do it sooner than later.